Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by physiology? So, let's get started. Friends, physiology is the study of how the human body works. It describes the chemistry and physics behind basic body functions, from how molecules behave in cells to how systems of organs work together. It helps us understand what happens in a healthy body in everyday life and what goes wrong when someone gets sick. Do you know? According to the classes of organisms, the field can be divided into medical physiology, animal physiology, plant physiology, cell physiology, and comparative physiology. Dear students, physiology is important because it is the foundation upon which we build our knowledge of what and what life and what is, how to treat disease, and how to cope with stresses imposed upon our bodies by different environments. It can help patients understand why their doctor recommends that they work out, eat less salt, or take a certain medicine. Physiology can also inform our everyday decisions related to diet, exercise, and sleep. Integrative physiologists, like me, study how the body responds to stimuli such as exercise. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, subscribe to the button, hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.